Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good evening. How are you? I am fine, alhamdulillah. Today's environment is good, and today it was not raining. That's why I fulfilled my all kind of important work at outside, and today this environment is good, and I like that kind of environment. Most of the people like raining, but yes, I also like raining, but not for every time, every day, because I have to go to outside most of the time for product delivery and for other works, for market, for shopping, for my food, and for shopping for vegetables, meat, and lot of things. So that's why I don't like raining most every day, but sometimes I feel raining when I am at home. So it doesn't matter, leave it. Today I was also just now I came to my home, and I was little bit busy for product delivery, and not only one product I delivered today on a courier service, and it was not about a lot of time. I've taken 1 hour at outside. So after I came home, I've taken my bath, and then I'm here for practice my English speaking, practice my English, and that's why I'm here for like every day. And I was yes, I taken 20 minutes for read category post, and yes, I will read. Every day I read a category post written by Rajiv Ahmed sir for minimum 2 to 3 hours every day. Yes, why I take a lot of time for read category post? Because newspaper and reading English newspaper and reading category post from website of Search English Group, both of are very useful and important for me. It works, and yes, I think this is not only my thinking, it's true, and I know that this is very useful for us, and we should, who are practicing for their English, and who are not the people who are not good at English, they want to follow the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir, they can read category post from the website of Search English Group every day, and we should give minimum 2 to 3 hours for read category post. And if we are not, or if you are not interested about make video in English like me, as like I'm doing now, so you don't need to make video. You don't need to need to upload the video. You can make video you can make video only if you don't want to upload. So and I was today I read 5 topics from category post, and today's favorite post was the topic 10 tips for writing a good article. Yes, the first point was know your readers. We write for others, not for ourselves. So always try to think of your readers. For this, it is most important to know for whom you are going to write. For example, I am going to write this article for those people who are looking for materials in internet about doing well in writing. There is little chance that very famous writers will bother to go through this article. Thus, try to imagine who your readers can be. Then try to know about their likes and dislikes. Try to assume what they are looking for from your article and how you can give them. For this, observe people as much as you can and know about their likes and dislikes. The first topic was know your readers. I mean, if you are a blogger, if you are a writer, you have to write. You are writing for others, like, right? So you have to imagine. You should have an idea that who can be your readers. So as like, suppose you are writing for young people who are in depression, or suppose Rajiv Ahmed sir most of the time writes for young people who are in depression, who have a lot of lacking for their basic skill in English and Bangla language, who want to do something good in their life, and who wants to be entrepreneur, who are entrepreneur already, and they need a perfect guideline, perfect solution. So all the time, most of the time, sir write that kind of by following that kind of all the time sir write for young people, entrepreneur, and etc etc. So we have to think at first. We should keep focus at first at our readers. And the second topic was now not the easiest work. Yes, this is a mistake that many people make about writing. They feel that writing is a very easy work, but my own experience and the experience of dozens of writers and journalists around the world show a different picture. Unfortunately, writing is not a very easy work. First of all, it needs a lot of time and effort to write, and more than that, earning money. But writing is even a more difficult work. If we look at the history of any major literature in the world, we can find that many poets and writers received little recognition when they were alive. So if you think that writing is something very easy and you are going to earn money with everything that you write, then you are surely living in fool's paradise. Knock knock. Get awake, because the dream is over. Of course, earning money through writing is as difficult as any job, and even perhaps more difficult than computer programming. Yes, so many people think that writing, oh yes, this is really easy work. You are thinking about anything, and you are writing about your thinking, what you are thinking. So it's not so easy work. You have to, if you are writing about any information, any topic, you have to research. You should have enough knowledge about your topic, and you should have search on internet sometimes you have to search on any books, and sometimes maybe you have to go to at the place. If you want to write something about any place, you have to go at that place, and you have to make conversation with the people of that area. And it's not so easy. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to write anything with information. Writing means not only writing, that we are writing a paragraph about any topics, like cow has two eyes, cow has one a tail. It's not like a paragraph or essay. You should have enough knowledge about your topic, and you have to let the people understand with easy way. And if you are using difficult words, then it will be difficult to your readers. You have to write with easy words. You should have enough knowledge about writing. So it's not so easy. maybe most of the time for a writer or blogger, they have to sit in one place for a long time. Sometimes it's 10 to 12 hours. So if you want to be a blogger or writer, then please think before you are planning. And then sir, the point number 3, sir has written that don't show off. Many times after reading an article, I feel that the writer has given me a lot of pain by